Hey guys, it's Thunderbolt 1000T, Thunderbolt A series. I'm here with...
Hey guys, it's me, Sean Costello.
And I'm here with Purple Violet 2. We're here to film the 2001-30. This is the one that replaced the Thunderbolt 1000T, probably on December 22nd, 2009. You see that, guys? It's the 2001-30.
It's gonna be super loud.
Yeah, I recommend if you're wearing headphones, please turn your volume down because this is super loud. This is the 2001-30. Ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready for this, Will.
Yeah, I'm not probably gonna run up to the siren. I'm gonna probably stand a few bit away back. This is
Hey guys!
good one.
Go subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, subscribe to Sean's channel, Sean Costello and Friends. Just in time before the spin goes off.
Now I'm just gonna step back because it's super loud. Okay?
Yeah, probably me too. I'm gonna probably keep the cam recording running. This is gonna be an awesome siren test. Hopefully this won't fail. It's gonna rotate this way. It's gonna be counterclockwise. Come on, we gotta wait.
What?
Yeah, they can probably go over there. I don't want to stand too close to it. It's probably about 12:59. There it goes! That's how close it gets. That's how far it gets.
Yeah, trust me, guys. You do not want to get too close to it.
To the 2030.
Yeah. give this video a like if you enjoyed it.
Yep, for Sean Costello and friends, subscribe to his channel. And I'm gonna get the ambulance.
Yeah, hold on.
That was a long task.
Yeah, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sean Costello and Friends.
Yep. And also give my video a thumbs up if you like it. And
Yeah.
subscribe to my channel. It's Thunderbolt 1000 Thunderbolt A series.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Yep.
And should I do this for the fans? Goodbye.
Yeah.
I like it.
Me too. I can hear some sirens going off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was